Hello everybody! So, Christmas is getting close, as you can see. And I was not planning to do any special video, but as it happened, on the Norwegian equivalent of eBay, I noticed a weird product and I received it today. So, it's a joypad of the type that makes no sense to me. But it was written for Atari and Amiga, so I gave a shot at it. So let's unbox that. So here it is, Action Pad AM from Logic 3, control pad for Amiga and Atari ST. And when I say it makes no sense, because the Atari ST support 4 direction plus 1 fire button. And this thing has 4 direction, A, B, and shoulder pads. So my theory, well, plus auto fire. So my theory is that all the fire buttons do the exact same, because I don't see any way on how that will work. I did not actually find any documentation about it. I didn't find any review, so I'm pretty sure that other people had it. But as you can see, it's still shrink wrapped, so I don't even know from which year this thing is. And still have some plastic seal. Does not come with a manual. It's all empty. Standard asphyxie precaution warnings. Quite a decently long cable. Yeah, so left shoulder, right shoulder, A, B, low, high, auto, and directional pad. And there is absolutely no other information. So I'm going to plug that on the Atari, and we are going to try with the game. So I'm going to test with Lethal XS, which, as you can see, is a pretty good condition. It was one of the perks that came with a Kickstarter or Indiegogo from Marco Bredan for the books about demoscene and cracking. If I can open it. Comes with a fancy poster and 2 floppies. So let's see. Well, at least we know that the A button is working. Wings of Death 2. So yes, why would you support joypad when it has to be the spacebar or escape? At least it detects the second floppy automatically. So, difficulty, normal, easy. I'm going to put easy because this game is infinitely difficult. Loading Ruins of Metallica. So let's try B-boot bit. Okay, so that does the same thing. That does the same thing. Yeah, so as planned, all the buttons do the same thing. So let's try auto fire. So I switch on, and there is low speed and high speed. So not sure if we can change the speed. So there you go, a pad which supposedly has many buttons, but they all do the same thing. So on the right, it's funny to put the auto fire on the menu because then everything selects automatically. Now, from a comfort point of view, it's not too bad, and I think the auto fire is very important in this game. Because then you can concentrate on actually moving around. Yeah, that's the difficult thing in this game, is not actually the enemies, it's the number of bonus that makes you die, so malus I guess, or make you lose your upgrades. And then when you lose the upgrades, it's basically impossible to play anymore. It's so slow. Can't do anything. And of course, if you change weapon, you go back to level 1 of the weapon. So, yeah. I'm too old for this shit. So yeah, there you go. Not a bad pad, but nothing special. And Merry Christmas.